What are retractable and pleated fly screens? Retractable and pleated fly screens are a popular choice for many good reasons. Some doors and windows can be hard to screen with standard fly screens, which is why retractable fly screens are a popular choice. Retractable screens are perfect for homes that have bifold doors, French doors, stacker doors, pivot doors, awning windows, and casement windows. The pleated and retractable fly screens use a superior design system combined with an extra strong and durable mesh which is engineered to last. Smooth retractable fly screens for doors and windows. This is a system that allows you to roll out the screen when you need it and roll it away when you don't. It will gently retract into the cassette, which blends seamlessly with your windows and door frames. Retractable fly screens are available as either a standard soft close system or a multi-lock system. The multi-lock soft close system enables the screen to be fixed partway along the screen opening so it can be left partially open. Perfect for those who wish to create a small opening for people and pets to go in and out. Pleated insect screens for doors and windows. A pleated fly screen works in the same way by using the folds to neatly stack the mesh back into itself. When the screen is extended, a series of tensioning cords keep the mesh in position. A pleated insect screen can span up to an impressive 8.4 meters with a double screen and 4.2 meters for a single screen.